All right, GoPro batteries were dead. I'm awfully tired. This is going on 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Still messing around with this thing. This thing done fell off the cart. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a fun-filled video with your guy, Easy E. And I'm just out here. Got home from work. And nothing ever goes as planned. So we got the burn traverse moved over, swept up over there. We got the parts, from the parts traverse, the engine, and the transmission. I thought it was gonna be an easy swap over, but nothing there is never that easy. Even though you're watching Easy E's rebuilds where I make everything look easy. But no. The transmissions are different. So I needed that transmission. This transmission, I pulled that out. Transmission fluid went everywhere. So I just wanted to make a quick video of slapping the engine cradle in there and put on the AC lines. We can't do that now because now I'm gonna make a whole video trying to get this stuff swapped over by myself. When the transmission way over here, so I gotta take this engine off the cradle, get the transmission off of this, get that transmission onto this one, and get it back on the cradle. With not that much room in the garage. With a mess. Just because the transmissions are different going in that side right there. I wish I can show y'all, but I can show you from here. That's the part that goes inside the transmission. This is the part that goes into the other transmission to have it all-wheel drive. That's my problem. This is the same, but it's not the same length, and this got teeth on it. Inside that transmission doesn't have no teeth. It just has a rubber gasket. Inside this transmission has teeth to grab onto there. The hole is bigger, and it has. Wait a minute. Of course, that one had teeth in it. You talking about doing this for nothing? No teeth? Maybe I should try first. Well, let me see. All right. After further investigation, the transmissions are different. So I do have to swap them out. But there's no biggie. Take the starter off. Take the catalytic converters off. Take off the torque converter bolts, which is 4 of them, 18 millimeter, and a bunch of 15 millimeter bolts to take the transmission off of it. You got 2 at the bottom, 1 on the side down there, got another one right there. You got the other one down there, got 1 down there, 1 down there, and 1 down here, which is already out. Then you got 2 in the back, 1 and 2. I think this is an 18, and that's still a 15. Then I think these might be 15s or 18s. I don't know. All because I was trying to make a quick video because I work a full-time job and I work nights. And we're working on the burn traverse. So, let this party get started.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
I'm getting awfully tired here, but we ain't gonna wrap it up right now. I gotta get this engine back onto its cradle. I want to swap over some transmission lines because those transmission lines on the donor, the parts traverse, is much better. He's got a little smoke damage. I don't even like this transmission. It's a little dirty. Maybe I get her clean, power wash her while she's in there. But got it off, and putting a new one on is a pain in my butt. Whew. You actually need two people, but you can get this done with one person. You need a big old 4x4 block of wood. I usually set it up because it's transmission like to lay down. Set it up, try to get the engine at the right level, and try to push the transmission onto the engine, onto those pins. But this transmission, you got to get on that pin first over there. Then you got to lift the transmission up on this side because it's like going in an angle. Pick it up on this side and get on the other pin and try to hold it up there while you get some bolts in there. And the bolts ain't even tight. I just got some bolts started. But what a pain. You can't even put the transfer case on until it's back in the cradle because it goes up under the rack and pinion. It goes up under the cradle. But they are two different ones. I felt inside the hose. One has more clearance than the other one, I guess, for that shaft and for that shaft, because they different. But my arm's starting to hurt with all this heavy stuff. But it is what it is. And y'all seen I use that third chain onto the transmission, the lifted up level. So let me get this button back up, and get it back on the cradle.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, GoPro batteries were dead. I'm awfully tired. This is going on 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Still messing around with this thing. This thing done fell off the cart. Tilted that up. Like I had a jack up on the back of it. Just trying to get it back. Yeah, just trying to get it back. Well, no. I was trying to get the transfer case in there. Because y'all see how it go. It goes up under the cradle. So you got the transfer case go through there. You go up under the cradle. You still got to get that mount on there. So I got like 1, 2, I think I got 3 of the bolts in there. I gotta get this motor mount bolt. Get that other one over there. Get that other one there. I want to shift it over a little bit though. That one look fine. That one look fine. Just this one over here. Let me move more over. And those for the transfer case, those are 18s. Right there. See, I just shifted it over. Right there. Stay right there this time. I think those was 15s. Where my 18 at? So I can tighten down some of these. Here it is. I done slipped and fell. All this transmission fluid. Well, I'm using this. Oh. Use this one. There's still 2 more on the back. On the bottom. I get those once the cradle is in. Because it won't be getting in today. Because I work a full-time job and I work nights. And I'm about to go to bed. Take me a shower and go to bed. Wasn't supposed to be out here this long. But like I said, things are always playing. Gotta swap over the whole transmission. Thought all I had to do was put that transfer case on it. It's like doing an engine swap. Let me get these motor mounts. We're gonna call that a wrap. I think those are 13s. No, 15s. Nope, 18s. I can use the Ugga Dugga. But I don't. Let me see. Let me see if I can get it on there. Probably can with the extension. Woohoo! Oh, where my box at? Y'all see my toolbox? Oh, there it is. Woo! Cane and the kisser. Oh, that ain't no 18. I knew one of them was a 15. I'll grab this 15. Get me this thing all knocked on there over here. And I got to grease this floor down, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. I'm gonna stop working here. Maybe y'all catch me in the next video. Still gotta put the torque converter bolts in, put the starter back on. I still gotta I gotta get that from out there. My AC lines and coolant line back on. Gotta get the axles back in. Hopefully they fit, but they don't fit. I should have a set of axles for all-wheel drive from off my Traverse that I had inside the shed. So, y'all know what to do. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video on social media if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, all descriptions in the area below. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. This is